finally, the Alexa Echo Show 10 third generation is here. We are now going to open this, unbox it. Let's see what's inside. We have the manual. The power adapter. And then the Alexa Echo Show 10, the third generation. This swivels 360. So we remove this cover here, and we are going to set this in my kitchen. This is registered to me already, so I'm just gonna tap yes, that's me. Select English, United States, continue. My address, so I place it in my kitchen, then continue. Make sure there's a device updates ready. Okay.
As I install the updates, this device will restart twice. I'm back. Let's continue.
So preview how far your device will rotate as the screen moves. Make sure you can see it from different places in the room. Preview. So let's see. Okay, so that thing, that's what I need. So you can adjust it here if you want it to rotate 360. This shows how far your device will rotate. Slide the endpoints if you'd like to adjust it. So I don't need to adjust it anymore. It's fine for me. So now use the slider to set the idle position. This is where the screen will face when not in use. Yeah, there you go. Next, and then all set. Then continue. Coming soon, welcome Amazon Sidewalk. So let's continue. So let's try this. Alexa, what's the weather today?
In Winnipeg, it's 47 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Tonight, you can look for just a few clouds in the sky with a low of 33 degrees.
So while you are asking Alexa, it will follow you wherever you go.
Currently, in Winnipeg, it's 47 degrees Fahrenheit with
There.
mostly
You
sunny.
can also view your camera here. Let's try. Alexa, show me front yard.
Okay.
There. Alexa, exit. Or you can drop a phone call. Just open the Alexa apps and then drop in call. There. This brilliant 10 inches HD screen with 13 megapixel camera delivers impressive visual for entertainment and enables you to video chat, take selfies, and more. Screen automatically turns to face you when you move around the room during video calls or while watching a TV show. Auto framing and motion keeps you front and center so you can stay in frame while on video calls with friends and family. With your voice commands, Alexa can answer questions, make calls, get the weather, tell you the news or sports scores, and much more so you can stay hands-free. Remotely monitor your home with a built-in camera via the Alexa app or other Echo Show devices. The motor is quiet. You cannot hear the motor when it's swiveling. It's brushless. Unfortunately, when you tilt it, it's not automatically will tilt. You have to manually tilt the screen up or down. You can even connect your keypad, scroll it, go to settings, Bluetooth, and then to pair, there, keyboard key 380 will.
Now connected to Bluetooth.
Okay, Alexa, go to Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
You can also say, Alexa, go to Prime Video.
Here's Prime Video.
You can say, Alexa, go to YouTube.
Please select a default browser. Here is YouTube.
So now we're going to try the sound. So the sound is really clear. You will hear the highs, the mids, and the bass. So when you're watching movies like Netflix, Prime Video, or YouTube, it will follow you wherever you go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe on this channel. See you on our next video. Watch out for more video, and we are going to pair this to our Echo Sub so that it will give more better sounds on this Alexa Echo Show 10 3rd generation. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe on this channel. See you on our next video.